Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a require status checks in GitHub. To require status checks before merging in your repository's branches, open your repository and go to the settings, and then select branches. Edit or create a branch protection rule for the branch you want to protect, typically the main one. Scroll down to the require status checks to pass before merging, and enable it. You'll see a require branches to be up to date before merging part. You can check it if you want to set that rule up as well. Make sure to add a name for this branch name pattern as well, so you'll know which rule this is. Once you're done selecting the checks you want to require, click Create. From now on, the branches that you selected, when it comes to pull requests, can only be merged after all selected checks pass, ensuring stable and verified code reaches your main branch. And that's how to set up require status checks in GitHub.